YouTube, Twitch, fam. Crypto market getting pretty hot out here. Looking pretty darn tasty also. So last night, this beautiful green candle that Ethereum Classic made, I actually took it for a long and I got every bit of the move. Now I'm in a short. And I do believe it will give me a lot more gains, which I'm happy about. So let's go ahead and look for other opportunities just like this and see where we're headed. We're currently looking at the 4-hour time frame. I was charting it out on the lower time frames, so if we end up going down to the 15-minute here where I did chart this out, we can see we are putting in this rising wedge pattern, broke to the downside. Now you're consolidating outside of it. Well, guess what? Relative strength index is showing that we could fall further, which is exactly what I'm banking on because we have a measured move. Our measured move is right here. Bring it down. You're looking at 5.29% after the breakout to the downside. So I do have my profit taking level right here at this wonderful little alert. And I do plan on taking that profit before looking at it, seeing if it's just consolidating or if we're going to start rising back up. But that's the way I'm trading this right now. On the 1 hour, earlier it lined up perfectly with the 20 EMA, but I'm guessing by the time it gets down there, it'll probably be lining up with the 50 EMA, which would be really nice. Considering the 4 hour, it's 20 EMAs all the way down here. So you're looking at, as soon as you hit high buying pressure, your highest point, $41.78. So anywhere between here is where you're going to find some support. This is why you see all this volume in here. So when it did break out to the upside, you're like, oh wow, we're going. Got a lot of short squeezes to help you out on this run, which is very, very good to see if you were in the long. But as of right now, it is cooling off. It's coming down, and you should see it come back down, probably sitting in this little area. Otherwise, this is like your last line of defense down here at $40.89. Last line of defense before you just get a full back test of this structure, in which then I'm going to be a little sad I took profit so soon. Either way, I got a plan. I'm on a high leverage, and I'm just taking profits. So, and I'm enjoying the profits. Now, something that we cannot ignore, something that looks like it's getting ready for another leg up, which I'm surprised by, is Teller. So Teller, TRB, this bad boy looks about ready to go. It's kind of interesting. It's already done so much, but you do have an upside target. Oh wait, I was looking at this on a different chart. Hold on. I was looking at this on the Binance chart because you got a little more data, so you can see what's going on here. You were in this consolidation down, so you came up here, consolidated down, and then you broke out of the consolidation. So you would be looking for that back test. If you can get a solid bullish back test right here and you maintain it, that is where you'd be looking to take a long to then try fighting up to this $44.80. As of right now, it's kind of sitting in limbo, but you are technically in a falling wedge pattern on the 1 hour. That's a very real pattern that you're just sitting in. It's kind of looking nice, honestly. You got 3 touches on the top, and you have what, 2 touches, 3 touches on the bottom. And you're curving up. You're seeing that reaccumulation. If we can break above this $35.59, if we can break above that, you might actually see Teller take off again, possibly even breaking $44.80. Possibly. Because you do have 2 levels that you would take profits at. Your first level, grab it, be looking right here. 19% upside, $41.60. I'm leaning toward that first before you get the further dump. Just kind of what I'm leaning toward based off what has been happening out of this market. But then your second target, it's the entire length of this entire flagpole, and that's insane. And you're looking at 40% upside, $49.11. So keep this on your radar. definitely put in a alert right above this level at $35.56. If you break that, back test it as support, that could be a very good opportunity for you to get into a long. Very good opportunity, because your upside is 19% from there. It's not bad gains. It's not bad. I mean, you throw a little 10xer on that, it's 190%. That's a big deal. Anyways, that's just what I see out of this chart. If Bitcoin decides to go down, you're coming straight down, possibly bottom of this, and you're coming to backtest $27.30. That's just kind of what it is. So if Bitcoin fails to keep going up, you will see Tether fall. It'll drag the entire market down. It'll drag it all down. Now, one that has had my attention literally all day is OP. OP, I really want to know what it's going to do, because you've been in this bull flag this entire time. Now, looking on the 4-hour time frame, you just got below the 100 EMA. You're pretty close to the 200. However, the relative strength index, you are completely oversold. And the nice part is, when you look at the last time you were oversold, right here, this is bullish divergence right here. Lower RSI, higher price action. Bullish divergence, classic bullish divergence on OP. So you can see from over here, you had the swing high to swing high. That gave you the bearish divergence. Now you're getting swing low to swing low, lower on the stochastics. Bullish divergence could play out. And the thing with OP is it's been moving fast. So you could see this thing rise up to $2.50. Honestly, it could happen overnight. Like, don't be surprised if it happens overnight. So yeah, keep that in mind. OP is looking solid. OP has my attention. All I want to see it do is break above this level at $1.65, back test it as support, and I'm going in. I'm jumping in that one. I'm definitely jumping in on OP, because I love what this looks like. Absolutely love it. So that's what I see out of OP. OP is out here trying to buck the trend. Actually, no, it's just keep continuing its upward momentum, which is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Anyways, that's what I see out of OP. You guys might see something different. Can even raise this up slightly. Yeah, that looks way better. So you can see that just well-respected channel. You're now pushing up to try and get to this heart line before you try and get into all this volume. This is where all the liquidity is. There's hardly any liquidity down here. It's all up above it. So that's why I believe this can actually go up rather than down. However, let it be known, Bitcoin could ruin the parade. Let it be known. Bitcoin can honestly ruin everything. You know, I keep bringing up Bitcoin. Maybe we should go check out Bitcoin, see what it's doing, because it just flipped into the red for the day, but we're going to see what's going on. Let's get a cleaner chart. Holy. I do way too much on this. Is my Coinbase chart cleaner? No, Coinbase looks stupid too. Hold on. Noted. Actually, no. Coinbase shows a very good picture. So you can see we got this bullish breakout out of the bull flag. We came up. We backtested the lower part of the channel as a backtest of the flag. And then we started rising again. Currently, we're finding resistance at 24,400. We're having a lot of trouble breaking above it. However, on the 4-hour time frame, it does look like the 20 EMA wants to give us a little support. This is pretty common. Tried to give us support here. We came up. Now it looks like we're touching it again. If we do manage to not only break above this level, but also this level up here at 25,400, noted it's big time resistance. But if we manage to break above that, well, we might be going to see much higher prices up to this node right here. It's a very fast break. If we can break out of this, hardly any volume here on the daily. You can see this. There's hardly anything there to hold us back. So you would expect, if you can break above 25,460, hold it, we could very well see 28,000 once again out of Bitcoin. And guess what that's going to do to our altcoins? It's going to send our altcoins to the freaking moon. So we all need to pray for Bitcoin. Hopefully the bulls, they're out there finding some extra money, push this price up. That would be absolutely amazing. It would be phenomenal. But we'll see. We will see. And then after we break that, we could look toward possibly fighting to get above that 200 EMA on the daily, which then would trigger a possible new bull run. Now, the thing you have to remember here is on the daily, we are putting in a rising wedge pattern. Vastly majority of the time, breaks to the downside. It breaks to the downside, guys. We literally just tested the top as resistance, and we're coming down. So don't be that scared of a dump. Just understand, if we do dump, your measured move is down here, $19,800. Understand what the measured move is. You still have this level of support down here in this bear flag as well, but keep that in mind. When you do keep this in mind before you make any trades, check out the Bitcoin chart. Make sure the Bitcoin chart looks okay, because if it looks bad, your altcoins are getting dusted. I mean dusted. It's going down in the worst way. Alright, now let's move on to something else. Let's go ahead and look at, you know what, let's look at total. I'm going to look at total. The total crypto market cap. Let's see how we're doing. It looks just like Bitcoin. Noted, we ended up putting this flag in here. We broke to the upside. Now our target is up here at $1.236 trillion. It looks like the market cap is trying to go up there. It's trying its damnedest to get up there too. You love to see that. We have a, oddly enough, rounded ups. Total market cap. It wants to do something big and big soon. You can see this rounded. Yeah, it's pretty rounded here. That's a nice little uptrend. There we go. That's a little better. Nice little uptrend. So as long as we stay along this curve, you could end up seeing parabolic action if we manage to break above $1.31 trillion. Your next stop is what, 1.5 trillion? And then we could possibly be testing 2.16 trillion. So the entire crypto market cap is trying to double. It's trying really hard to double. So that's cool. Now let's look at total 3 for the altcoins. Altcoins finding our resistance. Uh-oh. We don't want to see that because we are in this rising wedge pattern. We don't want to see that. So you can see we were in this bull flag. We made our measured move. Then we continued. Now we're just sitting in this rising wedge pattern hoping that we find support at this level at $4.26 billion. However, on the daily, it does look like we need to retrace a little bit. So don't be surprised if we come down here to 4.9 trillion. Telly, hello, how are you? Welcome back. So don't be surprised if you see this pullback. So when you look at total 3, this is something you got to pay attention to because your altcoins are going to suffer. Your altcoins are going to be pulling back. That's why we see so many altcoins in the red. What in the world? What is that one? What is that one? Nice. Telly, how's your day going? Alright, looks like our Ethereum Classic short is doing pretty darn well right now. Let's go back to that. Let's see how that's playing out. It's going okay? Just okay? Damn, Telly. I was hoping it would go much better. Much better. So we can see this pullback happening. I'm guessing Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit as well. Yeah, Bitcoin, it's struggling to maintain. Struggling. That's a lot of lines. Yeah, I do a lot of charting. I do a lot of charting. Yeah, your support, resistance, you got your trend lines, you just gotta, I should make like a roadmap, you know, just like, hey, here's a key, look at all your indicators, look at all the trend lines, then after you're done with your trade, you can just clear your work and try again. You could definitely do that. I just don't. I like to see where we came from, where we're going next. Check out the trends from the past as well as the future. That's what I like to do. Anyways, so this short is playing out very well. It's looking like it will fill, which I'm very happy about, but it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. We're going to be crossing into the new day pretty soon. but that's okay. That's okay. Let's go ahead and take a look. Also, if you guys have any requests, feel free. Ask. Feel free. Also, if you're watching over on YouTube, please hit the like. Drop a comment. Share it with a friend. Anyways, let's look at Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu has had my attention for a while simply because Ethereum whales have been accumulating Shiba Inu a lot. So let's go ahead and check out what is going on the daily for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has stayed above its 50 EMA. It is currently bouncing off of the 20 EMA, getting squeezed right between the 100 and 50. You still have 38% upside potential. Noted, we have to break above this level here at 137. Wearing a Shiba? Oh, that's awesome. That's an awesome emote. I love it. However, damn, we can't help but notice it. Can't help but notice it. You're going into a rising wedge pattern. That is unfortunate. Shiba Inu either will go parabolic or it's going to get dusted like the rest. You just bounced off the top as resistance. If that total 3 is starting to pull down, then you're going to see Shiba Inu backtest this level down here, possibly even lower at 976, if that is true. Night Sky, hello, how are you? Welcome back, man. Hopefully things are going well. So that's Shiba Inu on the daily. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour. 4 hour needs to reset. You do have a lot of liquidity sitting underneath you as well. So don't be surprised if you end up seeing the whales take this liquidity down here before trying to go back to the upside. What you would love to see, and which would be extremely bullish, is if we get down to the bottom down here, sitting at 1146 out of Shiba Inu, and we're oversold. That would be a very, very good indicator, because if we're oversold at that level, you're going to go on a tremendous rise to the upside all the way up to your next level, which is this 1715 level. Going great. How's life with the new baby? Life is pretty good with the new baby. You know, we got lucky. She's not too fussy. She's not too loud. She's doing well. She's doing well. So that is nice. That is very nice. Yeah, Shiba Inu, you can see this is just straight accumulation. Straight accumulation. Also, if you could check Near. Got you covered on Near. Actually, Near looks really good. Oh, you got a new baby? Yes, Telly, I have a new baby. She is almost 4 months old. Honestly, we made a little Gerber baby. She is so adorable. It is crazy. If you guys are in the Discord, you can check out the face reveal section, and you can actually see our baby. Yeah, it's in the face reveal section. That is our baby girl, Baby B and I. Our baby girl sitting right there. So, if you're in the Discord, go ahead and check it out. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out Near Protocol. Near Protocol. Looking interesting. Oh my goodness. Ethereum Classic just get dumped on right now. Which is very good for me. Not going to lie. Very good. Alright. Near. That's Neo, not Near. Where's Near? Near, you're on my watch list. Where are... There you are. Okay. Gosh. Took so long. Wow. Near. Look at that. Look at that. And noted. So I had this nice curve. You have been going parabolic this whole time. Like, you've been going parabolic. We can adjust this real quick. This is a very sharp parabolic trend. Very sharp. However, you're looking to try and get up to this target up here at $6.35. And I'm not going to lie to you. I think that would be a great spot to start putting in some shorts. Hear me out. Hear me out. You've had an amazing run to the upside. Amazing. You might even get up here to $7.68. You might. You know, you might. You gotta understand what traders are gonna be thinking as soon as they hit this level. Because this is a major level. They're gonna be like, alright, we just pushed the price up. What? Let's look from the bottom. So we're gonna go from this level when they double bottomed out to where they are now. Or even you're up 91%. 91%. If we manage to make it up to the level 111%, you're looking for a pullback at that point. It was a great run. They got their confidence, NearCon, their conference, NearCon, coming out in September. Okay, so you might see this thing pump all the way until then. Then it'll dump at the conference. That'll be good. That'll be good. That'd actually be amazing. But yeah, Near Protocol, you are in overbought territory right this moment. But look at the positive here. You're bull flagging out. You're bull flagging out. So you could continue your run as soon as you get down to this 20 EMA, or the 20 EMA gets up to you. You could do that. The next liquidity node is down here at $5.43. That is where the liquidity is sitting. It's waiting for you. You're sitting in no man's land right now. You got a little bit of liquidity above, but you have a lot more down below. You can see all this liquidity here. That's where the bears want to take the money. After you take all your money down here, you just got to go higher to find some more liquidity. That's what you got to do. So, measured move out of this. You can take the entire length of the pole right there, and then you can bring it here, which, guess what? Brings you right to that level I just mentioned. So, Near does have some legs. I would wait for the stochastic RSI on the 4 hour to reset all the way, which you will probably be sitting right on top of that 20 EMA, more than likely, because you can see you touch it, you come below, you get the 50. You touch it, you go up. You touch it, you go up. Now you're just going to touch it a third time before you have that last lift off. Up here, I would be looking to see much lower prices. That's just me personally. And a common retrace area, which noted you do have this beautiful level of support here. Let's see if this lines up with the fib. Let's see if this lines up with the fib. So you do have this level of support, which you only backtested once. So you could see it come up and then backtest again somewhere over here. Let's see how that lines up with the fib. So if we say we're going to hit the measured move, let's go all the way down to where the rally started. And we go to a golden retrace. You're down here. First level's up here. So you could see that anywhere between these levels. You could see a pullback all the way down there. But if the market continues to go up, then you're going to end up looking at much higher prices. Possibly this $9.67. Me personally, I would be looking to take a short out at this level of resistance, only because you're up 111% from the bottom. So I would expect people to take some profit. That's just what I'd expect. They could decide, no, we're not taking profit. We keep going up. But I don't think the market's ready for all that. I really don't. Really don't. One that's heavily on my watch right now, though, is Band. So Band is almost hitting it. Actually, I think it just hit it. Holy. Oh, it's so close. So close. All right, here's Band Protocol. You can see this nice rounded bottom has not. Let's go look at Near real quick. Let's go take a look at Near once again. I just want you to look at this. Here's Near. You see how it was rounded here, coming back down around this area, around there, and then you just took off. Now let's go ahead and look at Band one more time. Do you see the similarity here? This is why Near is. Whoo! I'm staring at Near. I'm staring at it, or at Band. I'm staring at Band. Thanks to Near. So Band Protocol has not had its breakout yet. It hasn't. So I'm thinking this rounded bottom could start going parabolic, and you could see it up here at $3.08 in the near future, possibly by the weekend. If this market decides to rally, you could see it by the weekend. So Band is on the radar. This is one heck of a cup. One heck of a cup. And when you see cups like this, I don't know about you, but I expect parabolic action. I really do. I expect parabolic action in the most degenerate way. So Band Protocol actually is sitting right where I want to take a long. I really want to take a long right there. I need the daily candle to close, though. I got 28 minutes before I can take that long. But yeah, Band on the radar. You got your 200 on the 4 hour sitting here, ready and waiting. You got the 100. You're about to bounce off of it as support. It looks good. Your stochastic RSI on the 4 hour is going down to the oversold area. You can see the relative strength index. You are in oversold area. Let's check out the daily. Let's see if the daily is going to help us out. On the daily, you're curving down right now. You do have the 20 EMA sitting right here, ready and waiting for you. Ready and waiting. Oh boy. As long as we don't get that bearish engulfing candle, I mean, it's looking kind of solid to me. I'm not telling you to make a trade based off what I see. I'm just saying what I see. Alright? But if you take this and you manage to get the... What's the percentage here? Hello? And if you manage to get the 76% gains out of this bad boy, just remember where you saw it. Just do that. 76% gains are possible out of band. Nobody knows what band is. Nobody cares about this band. It's like Hanson. See, don't even know the name anymore, do you? They used to be popular. Now they're not. It's a band. And noted, once you get back in this level, you're hitting resistance from all this trading volume back here. It will be a little tough to get back up there, so I would be looking to take a short as soon as you hit that level, possibly bouncing off here. And if the entire market starts taking a dump, you're coming all the way back down to $2.17. However, when opportunities arise, you gotta take them. You gotta take them. Oh gosh, he remembers it. No! Night Sky remembers it. Oh no. Alright, we're going back to Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is about to fill my order. It is about to fill my order. It's coming close. Coming close to a stream near you. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. It wants to so bad. Wants to so bad. Look at that. Come on. Give me the alert. Thank you. Let's go. Sorry. I just took that for 100% gains. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Also, I rode this thing up for 250% gains. I'm a degenerate. Leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone. I'm a degenerate. Leave me alone. But yeah, so we killed it on this trade. It still has some more downside to go. I don't know where it's going to stop, and that's part... Oh, hey, we got the 20 EMA right here on the 1 hour. Looks like it's still going to keep dumping after that, but you might see a little bit of a bounce coming up. However, this is your last bit of liquidity before you... Oh, shit, this thing might fall hard. There's no liquidity here. If you don't hold this level, you're going down. Holy shit. There's no liquidity there. Oh no. We don't want to see that. That'll be nasty. That will be nasty. Holy crap. But we can take our long on band now. Now that we're out of that trade, we can take our long on band. Let's go. Yeah, it's going. It's going. I mean, another thing that you have to look at that's kind of bad is if you look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. All you did was shoot out of here. You never back tested. You never back tested. Yep. Good old moon phase dump. Oh, here we are. You know, it's so funny. I keep hearing about these moon phase dumps. I saw somebody who actually put a moon phase calendar up against the Bitcoin chart. That looked crazy. That looked absolutely crazy. But alright, so I think Band is going to be coming next. Coming to the upside next. Oh, it's almost there. It's so close. We don't get into these early. We do not get into these early. Especially when the market's dumping. We do not get to these early. So sad. But yeah, this Band or Teller. These are the two that I really want to get into. I'm not going to get into Teller because the 200 EMA is all the way down here. Not going to lie, I had a few shorts in today. Just off full moon today. Oh my goodness. No way. You're like, hey, This moon stuff is starting to be a thing. I'm gonna take some shorts out. But you want to know the positive about that? I understand it's Friday tomorrow. Don't get me wrong. I understand it's Friday. There's going to be a lot of volatility. All I'm throwing out there, if we have such a bad down day today, we could see a big time upswing tomorrow. God dang it. I might have to get into OP. Just because of how oversold we are, I might have to get into OP. If we break a... Fuck! Damn it. Man. So I'm doing this thing right now where I'm just trying to stack up. I'm starting with $50. I'm trying to turn $50 into 10,000. That's what I'm trying to do. And so I'm going off compounding interest here. So $50, 100% trades. I think it's if you manage to get 8 of them. I think it's 8. It's not 8. Yeah, it is 8. So maybe it's 6. No, it's 8 because that's 100%, 12,000. So yeah, I need to get 8 100% trades. That's not the easiest thing to do. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's not very easy. You gotta get 8 100% trades in a row. I've done 4. I've never gotten past 4. So now I'm going for the gusto. That's compounding interest right there. I'm really trying to get to the 12,000 off 8 trades. That's the goal. So that's why I'm zeroing in so much on these opportunities of breakouts or dumps. So like good dump opportunity was what's it called? Well, Ethereum Classic, good dumping opportunity. Simply because, it's just like you went up too fast. Now you're getting this massive bearish engulfing candle. You're oversold or overbought on the 4 hour. You could see some random consolidation to the upside, but yeah, you're just looking to see the dump, and now you're just gonna wait for it to consolidate, get back into these areas of value, and then look to take another long, or you could just continue shorting it based off the 15-minute. Whenever you hit resistance, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. So that's one way of looking at it, but you are getting oversold on the 15-minute. So a little scrub rally up here to $43.11 could happen, because that's where liquidity is now. Because that's all the shorts are stacking up. They're like, ooh, we're going down all the way to here. So what they're going to do, they're going to send the price up, stop out all those shorts, then send the price down to grab that liquidity. So that's usually what happens, what's likely to happen. But, anything can happen. Anything can happen. This market is strange. The whales play their games. It is what it is. You can see banned on the 15 minutes. Super oversold in an area of value. There's no liquidity down here anymore on the 15 minute. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour, there's still a little bit of liquidity down here at this level. So you could see the wick down before you go up. Could. However, you just hit the highest amount of liquidity. So what you're looking for is liquidity up here. You're going to see that rally back up. You're completely oversold on the 1 hour, completely oversold on the 15 minute. On the 4 hour, you're getting oversold. So, what does that mean? If you're completely oversold on most time frames, you're probably going to bounce to the upside a little bit. Fuck. As I say that, it goes up a little bit. I want this thing to drop. Get to my trend line. Please. Please. But yeah, if you guys are noticing, I changed up my trading style a little bit. That's literally just because I learned more information. Gotta constantly adapt. Constantly adapt. TRB, rounded bottom on the 15 minute. What the... Your only liquidity is all the way up here on the 15 minute. $36.74. That could happen extremely fast. What's your hour look like? Liquidity up here. Oh. I don't like it when multiple coins look good. So right now, what I'm seeing is OP looks great, looks absolutely phenomenal. I mean, TRB looks pretty good. Teller looks pretty good. Teller looks like it will fall. You think it looks like it's gonna fall? It could. It definitely could. But the 4-hour stochastics are so low. You might just trade sideways out of this and then start curving up. That might happen. I mean, on the daily, daily says a completely different story. The daily's just like, nah, we're going down, buddy. We are going down. It's these lower time frames that could ruin a trade. So that's why you got to look at multiple time frames. Because as you look at multiple time frames, it's going to give you a completely different picture of what you should be trading at this moment. So what you could end up seeing is a very small measured move to the upside, which is the width of this. Oh, wow, 15% small. Okay, sure. Anyways, it could be a 16% gain, setting a lower high, and then you just continue to the downside. So it'd be like, yeah, you were right on it was going down, but you might have that burst up first, and then it goes down. So that's the whole thing about these falling wedge patterns. You have to pay attention to the falling wedge. Falling wedge patterns, vast majority of the time, break to the upside. Vast majority of the time. I think it's like 70% of the time, break to the upside. So you can't forget about that. Why, Band? Why are you doing this to me? Why, Band? Is this a little power hour session happening? Oh, man. Band on the 1 hour, trying to put in positive momentum. Alright, we're going into Band. I made my decision. The bids are starting to come in on Band. I'm doing it. Band, let's go. Let's take you for a ride, buddy. Don't you screw me. Don't you do it. Alright, we're going for the 100% trade. I need 5% upside. That's all I need. That's all I need, guys. 5% upside. And noted, we should be testing this level up here at 189.5. 189.69, sorry. But yeah, we should be testing that level up there because that's where all the liquidity is. So you know what, we're gonna take the gamble. When you're looking at divergences, do you use candlestick tops, top, bottom, or measure candle body top, bottom? I like to use the wicks. I really like using the wicks. I don't like using candle bodies, simply because the candle body is going to give you an idea of how far they're willing to try and push that price down. So I do like using the wicks. That's why I always chart off of the wick. So wick. Because if I did it off the bodies, I mean, here's if I went off candle bodies. Now you're sitting here like, oh, perfect time to get in. But then all of a sudden the wick could come all the way down here. And you're like, well, wait a minute. That could be a confirmed breakdown. So I started going off candle wicks because usually it works out better in my favor. That's the whole reason why I just use wicks. Usually it works better in my favor. But that's just my trading style. I know other people are like, they don't even use the regular candlestick formations. They like to use, what is this one? The Hakat, is it this one? Yeah, they like using this one. I don't like this one. I hate this one. Like, yeah, it looks clean and all, but I don't like that. So, sweet, thank you. No problem, Night Sky. Yeah, that's just the method that I like. It works pretty well for me right now. I mean, could learn something new that makes more sense to me tomorrow, and I'll switch up. If the trades work out, the trades work out. If they don't, guess what? I'm changing. I'm adapting all the time. Constantly need to adapt. Especially with markets with this level of, like, whale games happening. I'm not even going to call it manipulation because it's just literally, they just have more money than me. So they can move the market as they please. Must be nice. Must be nice. Could you imagine being a billionaire and moving the markets? Oh, must be nice. One day, we're all going to become billionaires. One day. The only problem is, billionaires are going to be the new 100,000-aires because of inflation. So band looking like it wants to start painting a little bit of green for us. Get a little green in between. You feel me? You could technically, if you're going lower leverage, put your stop loss down below this level here because you want to maintain the higher lows. So put it just below this level at $1.5693, and then kind of just enjoy the ride. See what happens. Check in on it daily. See what happens. Yeah, so that's banned. I think it's going to have a pretty... Oh, I should look at the weekly, actually. Hold on. Weekly looks weird. Doesn't have that much volume. But you have their 20 EMA on the weekly. First 20 EMA ever. Beautiful. So yeah, not enough data for a weekly. Because all it's showing is like, you got bought before. Now you got sold. You've been getting accumulated like crazy. So I do think we have reached some form of bottom on band for now. And it could go higher. Much higher from here. Your daily is... You have gone nowhere. And those stochastics are resetting for you. That is absolutely amazing. Literally trading sideways up and your stochastic RSI is dropping that bad. That's kind of bullish. It's kind of bullish. I am not going to lie to you on that one. That's kind of bullish. That's pretty nice. 4-hour divergence. So you can see swing up to swing up is lower. So swing up, lower, lower. So that's fine. You can see swing low to swing low. You can see the bullish divergence right there. Because it is lower than before. Bullish divergence going to the downside as price is increasing. So classic bullish divergence on the 4-hour. If you constantly see the stochastic, or if you see the relative strength index going lower while the price is higher, that is bullish divergence. I'm going to keep repeating that to myself and everyone else so you remember. Bullish. Can this thing drop a little further and get down to this level? Of course it can. Will it do it in the next 11 minutes? I hope not. I really hope not. Let's check out the 15-minute. Make sure we are still oversold. No, we are starting to curve up. But you can see so oversold. Honestly, it's going to take somebody accidentally dropping their phone and hitting buy to send this thing up. Or maybe they just fat finger it on the computer and accidentally, oh, I bought something. Shit. And it's going to go up. Alright. Let's go ahead and look. You guys remember I kept saying TBR looked like it was kind of nice? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. God damn it, man. That is heartbreaking. Damn it. I do that all the time. I look at way too many things, and then I just forget. Noted, you're going to hit this as resistance. You're going to come back down to this level, probably. Or you're just going to come out up to this level, then backtest as support, and probably just sail off into the sunset. Because I should have gotten to this trade, but I didn't. Because I'm dumb. Damn it. Can you just drop a little bit for me so I don't look quite as bad on stream? TBR? TRB? Can you help a brother out just a little bit? Whales, get a little greedy out there. You know? Stop them out. Not enough liquidity? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. I'll fuck myself in the corner, right? Ah! Telly, you were not dumb at all. I just mentioned it could go up before it falls. Because everything was oversold. I guess they heard me. Telly, I really hope you did not take a short out on this. I really hope you didn't. I was definitely talking about, no, it could go up. It definitely could go up. 16%. And currently you are already up from when I talked about it. My life right there, summed up. The whales are watching. Yeah, all three viewers. The whales are here. There's one whale. Oh, cool. I'll buy into that. There's a jar of whales. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. All right, let's go ahead and look at OP and see what's happening over there. So OP, you are overbought on the 15 minute, so it's probably going to consolidate out a little bit. The three whales are here. The three. Oh boy, if only. If only. So you can see this rounded. You're going to consolidate a little bit, possibly, but your next target is actually on OP, testing 162. That's your target. Right. You can tell me everything you want, but you can see how oversold you are in the 1 hour. Stochastic is starting to curve up. Your 20 EMA is sitting right there. The only thing holding you down is lower time frames. So as you start consolidating and trading sideways, you're just going to start seeing that curve up again. So OP actually looks ready to go up. That is amazing. OP is looking real nice because it is oversold on the 4 hour as well as the 1 hour. Oversold 4 hour. Let's take a look at the stochastic. Let's see if there's any bullish divvy. There is. Right there. Swing low. Swing low. Swing even lower. Set up higher. Higher. As price is going down, reaccumulation is happening right now. OP might actually rip tonight. It might actually like get going tonight because you haven't had any positive momentum since, what is this, August 22nd or August 5th. So for the last 6 days, it's just been a selling fest. OP wants to start putting in some higher prices. OP wants to start putting in some higher prices. Oh shit. Be careful about OP. OP wants to do something. Luckily, the ban trade is slowly starting to pay off. That is good. Let's take a look at GMT. GMT's been pissing me off lately. So GMT, you can see it was rounding a little bit, but we have this downward pressure. Let's get a cleaner chart. Let's get a cleaner chart. You know what? Cleaner chart. This will work out better for us. You had this bullshit scam wick the other day, which, oh, so sad. So sad. But you can see this downward pressure we were in right here. We broke out of it, finally. Looks like we're trying to get a back test, so hopefully this 200 EMA holds up. Count that as a back test. Then GMT could finally start moving. GMT Steppin has been the most boring asset on this planet for the last, like, week? Let's look at the daily. Like, how boring is this? Yeah. Look at how boring this is. You've done nothing. At all. Annoying. So GMT, it's way overdue for a move, either up or down. I don't care. Go somewhere. Don't care. You were in this falling wedge pattern. Now you're starting to bear flag out as you broke out. I don't get it. I don't get it. What are the investors of GMT doing? No one knows. Because they're just being themselves, I guess. You could say this was a formal backtest on the daily. You held. Now you're trying to find some sort of people to buy this asset, but no one's buying. And I'm probably thinking it's because Solana has so many issues. Anyways, your price target is right here at $1.41 when it gets its act together. $1.41 upside. So you can see right there, that's the highest amount of liquidity, 46% upside, because you're so down in the dumps. So GMT, I'm in a trade with it. I've been in a trade with it for the last week. Just waiting. Just out here. Holding my hands. Just like, okay, you're going to go up. I'm sure of it. You can do it. But jeez, making me work for it out here. I swear. I swear. Awful. Zilliqa, another boring one. Like I don't even know what to make of it for Zilliqa. I don't get it. You got the rounded bottom going for you. Like, we can extend this bad boy out. Like, you can see the accumulation happening. You can see it. But it's like, when are the bids really going to start coming in? Not sure. Not sure. I think mainly because Ethereum has all the attention on it right now. Lots of attention on Ethereum right now. So Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are taking all the market cap at the moment. But one thing Zilliqa did do that was very nice is you were in this downward pressure right here. You managed to break out, backtest it, failed to break down, broke back above it. Now you're running into resistance on the 100 EMA on the daily. Let's go ahead and check out the 4 hour. 4 hours overbought, and you went nowhere. Went nowhere. So apparently there's a lot of people trading this. You would look for the 4 hour stochastic to reset, or at least come down a little bit before thinking it can go up further. I do enjoy trading Zilliqa because I can go such high leverage on it, and with it being this stable, it's usually kind of nice. But I need that price action, guys. I need that price action. I mean, we got out of here, we hit the measured move and then some, and we pulled back. Now it's just kind of waiting game. Got this waiting game on all the alts, and with the total 3 looking like it's pulling back, it might be a little dangerous to try and get into some longs on some of these alts that are not in very strong setups. So like Band here, you can see pretty darn strong setup. Pretty strong. You have 3 indicators saying that it's going to go up. So I'm just going to go off the indicators and think that it's going up. But then you have other things where it's like, it doesn't really look that strong. I can't get behind it. Like Gall. Right here. Or Gal or whatever. I was very disappointed in this asset when it broke down here. It fake out to the top and then broke down, stopped me out, and then it comes back up to find more resistance on this downtrend for falling down. So we have to see if we hold this 200 EMA before we can get any form of bullish on GAL. But once again, you're seeing these rounded bottoms everywhere, so you can see the accumulation is happening. I mean, some even argue this is like an Adam-Eve double bottom. Adam-Eve double bottom, so great time to accumulate. Terrible time to trade on high leverage. I'll tell you that. Don't do that. You can get in trouble there. Lose some money. Then you're going to be eating salads instead of steaks. You don't want that. 1 hour oversold wants to try and come up, but when you do come up, I mean, all your liquidity is sitting right here, so you might not even test the upper trend line, which is a strong indication you're coming back down to the bottom. Strong indication. Touch it once, touch it twice, get that third time as confirmation. That, I think, would be a good spot to take a long. If you do test it a third time, find your support, and then start going up, I think that would be a very good area, in my opinion, but I don't know. By the way, guys, welcome to a brand new day. It is a brand new day in the markets. Welcome to a new day. Now, if we all want to feel bad real quick, we're going to look at TRB and notice Breakout Watch. Breakout Watch. Oh my gosh. You're joking, right? Yeah, not at all. It's because you didn't take the trade, Porky. Because you didn't take the trade. Breakout Watch. Right there. Then we have Band. Just... It's like a kid who got left at school and his parents didn't know to pick him up. Like that. Yeah. That's what it looks like. Such a shame. Ethereum Classic trying to consolidate. Oversold on the 15-minute. You might see it come up, test maybe the 20 EMA up at this level at 42.89, possibly, before it falls further. We'll just have to wait and see. Check Tron. TRX. Tron. I hate Tron, honestly. I out of all the assets, I hate Tron. Tron makes no sense to me. Got this V-shaped recovery. I don't know what to make of Tron, honestly. All your liquidity is sitting right in here. So you're sitting right on top of all the liquidity. And, yeah, honestly, I don't know what to make of it. Let's look at the daily instead. So the reason why I hate Tron, I'm gonna show you right now. Bear flag. Traded down, failure to break down, bullshit resistance, and then you shot up. I hate Tron. Walmart version of Tron. Oh, Torn. What? Torn? I've never heard of Torn. Torn? You know, budget brand Tron? What? What's Torn? Never heard of Torn. Alright, checking out the daily. You're double bottoming? Can we leverage this? Hello? You're at an extremely low risk area to take a long. Extremely low risk. You're double bottoming on the daily. Oh, are we serious? Holy shit. Telly, this is quite the find you just gave me here. Can we leverage this? I'm being serious. Can we? It's like a pocket. Maybe it goes 0. I'm just a noob. I don't know that it's gonna go to 0. You hit a bottom. You came up. Everyone sold off. You bottomed out for 3 days. You're oversold on the daily. You can see this bottom, tweezer. Actually, no, that's technically a higher low. Some more people own this thing than before. That's for certain. More people own it than before. But no, I don't think it's about to die. I don't know anything about this project, just so everyone knows. All I can do is see this chart and get a little giddy about it because this looks absolutely amazing. Wow. Needless to say, if you could leverage this thing, I would be taking a fat long on this right now. Absolute fat long right now. The bears are trying to sell it. They just can't get it below this level. They tried. They tried once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. How many more times can you try? Remember, there are 4 whales here. Right. But I mean, you can't get any more oversold on the relative strength index. Either this project already died, or it's about to go on a crazy tear to the upside, and what I would guess is 100% upside from here. Like, are you kidding me? This is for real. Like, this thing, this is the lowest risk area, and you would put a stop loss literally right below this level. $15.54. That's your stop loss. Easiest TA of my life. Right there. Easiest. I don't think it could. It's either going to, like, go to 0 or go up. Like, there's nothing else. There's nothing else. Maybe on Gate.io, do we have anything lower? Gate.io, it actually managed to drop lower, down to $14.98. That was all your sellers. They're not on Binance. They are definitely not on Binance. Look, is this thing anywhere else? It's on BitGet for spot? Oh, God, stupid. Anyways, yeah, you are bottoming the fuck out. Holy shit. Bybit. Oh, that's TRB. Why am I... Hold on. I want TRB? Why did... Tomo? I don't want Tomo. OKX. We can leverage it on OKX. OKX. I need to make an OKX account. Holy. Because look at this. That is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I would expect 100% gains. Yep. If anybody knows about this token, 100% gains. Going up. Enjoy the ride. First target, 18.50. Next target after that, 25.23. And then after that, $31.95. Yeah, I tell you, that's a very easy TA. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate the request, honestly. I needed that. That was great. And you're in a giant falling wedge pattern? You're joking, right? It doesn't get more bullish. Oh my god. What? Is this real? Holy shit. You just stumbled upon it? So one thing you gotta realize, if we do start hitting a next bull run, it does not need to be a good coin in order to go up. We learned that in the last bull run. All it needs to do is be tradable. That's all it needs to be. It's tradable. Now, if you do break that level, though, oof, so bad. So bad if you do. But you're looking for support on this downward trend right here. On the daily time frame. So, yeah. But yeah, this exchange paints a different picture because you have a low, lower low, double bottom, time to go. Oh, everything's painting some red except for, hey, you guys remember when I said OP looked kind of nice? You guys remember that? I'm just curious. On the new day, let's check out the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we're already up 1.8%. Going up, trying to find that resistance level. 15-minute, trying to consolidate, but it just keeps getting bought. Damn it. TRB, thank goodness. You're not making me look bad anymore. Yes! Sorry. I'm not sorry. I ain't sorry at all. Screw you, TRB. Make me look bad on stream. Going up and shit. So yeah, it's gonna do a little liquidity grab down here before. Damn it! And I'm sitting in band. So sad. I'm the saddest soccer player out here. Oh, so sad. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to get on out of here. I gotta get ready to go to work. Only gonna be gone for a couple hours. If you guys are into the gaming stuff, I might be on tonight. I'm not sure. I might be on. But anyways, you guys are in Discord. Go ahead and check out the Discord. I'm going to hop on out of here while getting wrecked and banned because it's probably going to hit my real entry point. I'm going to be sad about it. But, yeah, good luck in your trades out there. Hopefully you're doing well. And I look for... Yeah, it's going to hit my... Damn it. See, this is why we don't get in early, guys. Now I'm going to be sweating bullets when it touches this trend line. Oh, man. Anyways. Catch you guys later.